so I know enough about your ticket. But this is the North. Please kindly stand up and tell the North. Tell the North, assure us that your ambition, your candidature, your credibility has nothing to do with the demands that unless you have an Igbo president, there will be no peace in Nigeria. And two, that those people who associate with you the ambition of Igbo people for the presidency have a right to do that, but you are going to be a Nigerian president. And when you become a Nigerian president, everybody in this country will identify with you. Please stand up and assure the North that this is the case, or give us assurances that will make us feel safe and secure under your leadership. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Question. For this question, after the last question, caused a lot. Let me make it obvious and very, very simply. One, I have never, and I'll say it anywhere, please do not vote for me because I'm an Igbo man. I am running this election for the office of the President of Nigeria as a Nigerian who happens to be an Igbo man. I'm not denying where I'm coming from. I'm running it as a Nigerian. And I will live and defend the Constitution of Nigeria. I will govern with the Constitution of Nigeria. I will be just. I will be fair, and I will relate cordially with every part of Nigeria. Those who are actually fearing about me today, I can tell you, will be the greatest beneficiary of my presidency. All they need is to trust me. You voted everybody, which you said. But you have not voted me, Peter. If I may say I'm from that side, that is the change you will see. I'm here for a new Nigeria. I'm not here for, I want Nigerians to believe in Nigeria. Today we have Nigeria, but we don't have Nigerians. We don't have people who carry